Want to fix Microsoft Office couldn't install error? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Microsoft Office couldn't install error. The first thing you want to do is open Control Panel. Now go to Programs and Features. Now uninstall every Microsoft Office entry, then reboot. You will clear conflicting remnants blocking the new setup. Now you want to open up any web browser and head over to config.office.com/deployment settings. Once you get here, customize the Office configuration file as per your requirements and re-download it. Once you have downloaded it, you want to make a new folder and rename the same to Office. Now run the deployment tools as administrator, accept it and click on continue. Now browse and select the Office folder and click on it. Now simply cut this configuration file and paste it. Insert the Office folder. Once done, copy this folder to C drive. Now rename the configuration file. Just replace the capital C with a small letter C and hit enter. That's it. Now run command prompt as administrator, type and follow commands and hit enter. This is the command that you want to enter. Now the Office installation will begin, and this time you will not receive any errors. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.